In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Gamma Presentation AI. By the end, you'll know how to go from a blank dashboard to a polished deck you can present, share, or export. Start by heading to Gamma, the AI presentation maker and website builder. If you're new, choose sign up. Otherwise, log in. Once you land on the dashboard, click Create New to begin a fresh project. You'll be asked how you want to start. You can generate with AI, begin from a blank canvas, or pick a template. For the fastest results, choose Generate with AI. This option drafts your outline and initial slides automatically, saving you time and helping you overcome the blank page problem. Type in your topic as a simple prompt. For example, try marketing strategy for small business or social media tips for beginners. You don't need to be overly detailed at this stage. You can refine later. Click Generate, and Gamma will build a structured presentation with titles, bullet points, and suggested flow. Next, review and edit the slides. Click any slide to change the text, tighten phrasing, or clarify points. Add or remove sections to match your goals, and drag slides to rearrange the order for a clearer story arc. Aim for short headlines and scannable body text to keep your audience engaged. Now customize the design. Switch the theme or style to match your brand or the tone of your talk. Adjust colors and fonts for readability and consistency, and add images, icons, or short videos to make key ideas memorable. Keep contrast high and avoid clutter so your visuals support, not distract from your message. When you need more material, click plus add card. Insert text for deeper explanations, images for examples, videos for demos, charts for data, or embeds to pull in live content such as websites or interactive elements. Use charts when numbers matter, and embeds when you want viewers to explore without leaving the deck. Leverage AI to improve your content. Highlight any text and open the AI options to rewrite for clarity, expand for more detail, or simplify for beginners. This is great for matching tone, removing jargon, and keeping sentences concise. When you're ready, click Present to go full screen in slideshow mode, or click Share to send a link and collaborate with teammates. Choose View Only or Editing Access as needed. Finally, export your presentation as a PDF for easy sharing or as a PowerPoint file if you'll refine it in desktop software. For the most flexible, always up-to-date version, sharing the Gamma link is recommended. That's the workflow from start to finish.